Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Kartra landing pages, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete a section out of your Kartra landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete part of a section in your Kartra landing page anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes the offers change, or sometimes you want to trim down your landing page to make it a little bit more user-friendly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete a section from one of your landing pages, first you need to click on Pages here on the left. Once you do that, you will see all of the landing pages you have in Kartra. You can see I just have this one right here, and you want to click on these three dots and then click on Edit. Okay, once you click on Edit once again here on the top right. Okay, so once you click there, you will see your landing page, so you can go ahead and edit it. Now you can see I have this section here at the top. It's just a template, but if you scroll down, I have another section right here that I've already put together. So in order to delete one of these sections, what you're going to do is just hover over the section, and to the right, you're going to see these little gear icons. So let's see this one right here, and we'll just click on the gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down, and you just want to click on the X mark. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop up asking for you to confirm if you want to delete that section from your Kartra landing page. Go ahead and click on delete. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see the section has now been deleted. So it's just this one section in my Kartra landing page. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete a section in your Kartra landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.